What is this hassle all about? Why is everyone seen coding?
Because CoNSTruct Hackathon is just started.
This is the day one, and we are like thinking about what ideas we can do and what ideas we can include in our app.
Flagship. It sounds cool.
What do you think? Will you be able to do this hackathon this year?
If we weren't, we wouldn't be here right now.
What do you guys think about CoNSTruct?
CoNSTruct is the first ever NST hackathon this year, so we are really excited.
Do you think you will win?
Definitely. I think we would work further into developing it if we see the vision and if we get help from our mentors. Mostly we would pursue it even if we don't win it, because at the end of the day, we are not here to win it. We're here for the experience. But winning is always a plus point,
Do you guys think you will win this hackathon?
We'll try our best.
In which year are you guys?
It's going to be very hectic, but not impossible. And as we said, we believe more than 100% in ourselves, so we will.
Okay, who built this team?
I was the one who built this team.
Why did you choose these guys?
This girl here, I've worked with her for a couple of hackathons now, and we vibe well. And she has a couple of skills which I think would be really helpful when it comes to building this product.
What do you think if you lose? What do you think will you do with that product?
We try to deploy it in the real world and we'll see if it works, and if it doesn't, we'll learn from it, and if it does, then great.
And have you came up with any idea, specific idea?
एक हमारा जैसे छोटे शॉपकीपर्स होते हैं जो जीएसटी कैरी नहीं करते हैं, बट उनके लिए एक ऐप चाहिए उनका डाटा मैनेज करने के लिए, उनके अकाउंटिंग करने के लिए। जैसे जो जीएसटी वाले होते हैं उनके पास तो बहुत चीज़ होती है एंड दे हैव टू पे फॉर दैट। इट्स लाख रुपीज पर ईयर उनको देना पड़ता है। बट स्मॉल कीपर शॉपकीपर्स होते हैं जो दूध बेचते हैं या फिर डेली नीड्स बेचते हैं, उनके पास कुछ नहीं होता है, हम उसमें काम करना चाहते हैं।
I think all of my prize money would definitely go to my parents, because without them I wouldn't be here right now.
We are ready for CoNSTruct Hackathon.